Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up planner plans and tasks for department projects step by step clearly. Begin by opening the Planner app within Microsoft 365. Log in using your organizational account if prompted. Once you're in Planner, navigate to the My Tasks view to get an overview of your current assignments. To create a new plan, click on the New Plan button. Enter a name for your plan that clearly reflects the department project. Choose whether the plan will be public or private depending on your team's needs. Click Create Plan to set up the new project workspace. Now, you'll see your newly created plan appear on your dashboard. To add tasks to this plan, click on the plus Add Task button. In the task window, enter a descriptive title for the task. Set a due date to keep your project on track by selecting the calendar icon. Assign the task to team members by clicking the Assign field and choosing their names from the list. You can add additional details like checklists, attachments, and notes to the task for clarity. Repeat this process to add all necessary tasks for your department project. Once your tasks are set up, organize them into buckets that represent different phases of the project. To create a bucket, click on Add New Bucket and name it accordingly. Drag and drop tasks into the appropriate buckets to streamline your workflow. Encourage your team to update the task status regularly, moving them from not started to in progress and finally to completed. Schedule regular check-ins to review project status with your team. Utilize the comments section on tasks to facilitate communication and provide updates. Be sure to update the plan as the project evolves, adding new tasks or deleting completed ones as necessary. Keep an eye on deadlines and remind team members of upcoming due dates to ensure timely project completion. With these steps, your department project will be organized and managed effectively within Planner. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.